we're going to do a quick install. This is the DRIPLOC low volume box. What we want to do is use our self-tapping screws. They'll already be provided along with your replacement pillow. It's very simple on an LV. If you set them up right, notice he didn't do a whole lot of marking. What he did was he just went in the eyelet of this key stock knockout right here and just chased it straight in. The way these things are made is if you back them off just a little bit, you can actually slip this box up and pull it off to remove. Now, important key is whenever you have the low volume pillow, it's made to go in a variety of different type of boxes. You'll always want to take and lay those pillows out nice and flat. The big key is whenever we get these installed, we want to have these all the way nice and snug. If you have a little bit of excess material over here, just kind of tuck it down. The key is you should always see material and make sure that when you put your hand back in here that you've got material blocking these drain holes. If you don't have a filter inside of it, you're just going to redirect the grease right out in front of it. So that is the install on the low volume box.